Greetings everyone onto this beautiful day. Welcome back to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing wonderful. How your garden is going? Are your garden producing? Are you getting a hard time with the weather? Don't get mad guys, just hang in there. It's gonna all works out. So today guys, we're gonna talk again about clay soil, and I'm actually my whole garden is actually clay soil, but over the years I've been working on it, mixing it with weeds, leaf, tree trunk, dig out trenches, bury them in the garden and allow them to break down, and they eventually works because it's eventually come and change the texture of the clay soil. Now I have that prepared and working wonderful. Garden is producing beautiful, but I'm also start another area basically for my grandson, another area, and we actually using clay soil. So I want to walk out. We actually using clay soil. This is really wonderful. Clay soil, one thing we got to understand, clay soil is full of minerals, and if we able to add a lot of organic matter into that clay soil, it's gonna unlock nutrients. So we're gonna have a nutrient rich soil with nutrients, minerals inside our soil, which is what we need. We just have to understand how to work the clay soil. If you notice here, you're gonna see we're growing corn. This is a okra right here, and we're growing corn, and as you can see our corn start producing. But as you can see, it's definitely red clay soil we're growing these into. And look how the plants them healthy. Look how beautiful and healthy these plants looking. As you can see guys, it's definitely red clay soil. So we're using red clay soil and we're seeing great result. This is clay soil guys, and something you have to understand. This is not good at all. You don't want clay soil to compact like this, because with these fine little roots, it's going to be very difficult to go through the clay soil. Very difficult. So you don't want your plants to have to deal with these type of soil, because this is gonna cause your plants to not growing. Sometimes you see them just remain one height and they're not growing, they're not adding no leaf, because their roots is not going nowhere. And if their roots is not going nowhere, the plants is surely not gonna be growing. So down in this area here guys, as you can see here, we have different plants growing with each other, and guys, it's definitely clay soil, raw clay soil. What we add some compost, basically from the tree body that break down. We sprinkle a little bit during the rainy season. As you can see them growing. So what we have growing up in here, we have corn, turmeric, pumpkin, that's a pumpkin there, we have squash, we have ginger. But as you can see guys, everything is growing wonderful, and is actually clay soil we into. These are corn, and as you can see here, clay soil. But something you gotta make sure guys, you gotta make sure that all these soil break up. When it rains, sometimes it rain And if the, like how it's rain here, the rain beat it down and it compact. So when the sun come and dry it now, it just come compact and get hard. So you want to come in the garden and, you know, rake it up, that the soil can get loose. All right? You don't want them to clam up. So it's important to learn how to unlock the minerals and the nutrients out of the clay soil, because we also know clay soil is fully loaded with minerals. So organic matter is a beautiful combination to work with clay soil. Beautiful combination. It changes the texture and it creates a super rich soil. Organic matter is so wonderful that it draws a lot of beneficial insects such as earthworms, a lot of different parasites that we need in our garden. So clay soil is wonderful. Do not underestimate clay soil at all. Try it and see if it works for you. You have to understand you cannot allow the clay soil to get like this. So you got to come out and you got to crush it. Crush it. And every time you crush it, if you add some leaf and the leaf blend between it and break down between it, it's going to create a barrier from the clay soil to compact to each other. But it's not going to happen overnight, guys. Everything takes time, but it's rewarded. So yes, guys, this is a squash coming up right here, and look how everything looking healthy. This one is a pumpkin. This is a pumpkin now start running, so I'm creating barriers for it. But if you notice, you're gonna see how the soil is soft, because what I do, I comes out every time it's rain, and it's really good to comes out when it's rain because the soil is soft. So it's gonna be easy for you to break them up. But if they get dry and dry out, it's harder to break up. So once you keep breaking them up and you keep adding the leaf in between them, you keep adding the weeds that breaks down in between them, and you mix them in, it's gonna create that barrier and it's gonna cause it not to compact. But don't underestimate clay soil, guys. Clay soil is very rich in minerals. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.